My name is Marcus Flavius, centurion of the 9th Legion. I stood on the deck of a transport ship as gray waves smashed against the hull. Ahead of us lay Britannia, a land of mist, mud, and savage tribes. Rome had sent us to tame it. The men were silent. Only the wind howled and the sails cracked. I tightened my grip on my shield and whispered a prayer to Mars. When our boots hit the shore, the cold shocked me to the bone. The beach was narrow, the cliffs sharp like broken teeth above us. Suddenly, spears flew through the fog. The Britons screamed from the hills, wild and painted in blue. I heard the first scream of one of my men as a spear punched through his chest. Training took over. I raised my shield and ordered the line forward. We pushed inland through thick forests where sunlight barely touched the ground. Every step felt like a trap. The enemy never fought us in open lines. They struck from shadows, Tin Bunny said. One night, they attacked our camp. Fire arrows filled the sky. Tents burned. Men ran screaming. I cut down a warrior in the firelight and saw his face. He was barely more than a boy. The worst battle came near a wide river. Their armies stood across the water, shouting and beating their shields. They wore animal skins and carried long curved blades. We formed at testudo shields locked above and around us. Arrows rattled like rain on iron. When we charged across the river, the water ran red almost instantly. I slipped on a fallen body and nearly drowned in blood. Victory did not feel like victory. The land stayed dark and cold, and the people watched us from the trees like ghosts. We built forts and drove iron into the earth, claiming it for Rome. But at night, I could still hear their war cries carried by the wind. Britannia was conquered, they said. But deep down, I knew this land would never truly belong to us. This has been a true historical style account from the invasion of Britain. If you want more real stories from history told through the eyes of those who lived them, subscribe to the channel and watch the next story.